Hey yo, is that Mexican OT? Yes, we got Glocks and we got hammers. Yes, we got poles and we got blammers. Take my little bitch out of pajamas. He say I'm thuggin' and I'm handsome. I'ma hold the pussy for ransom. Kick a bitch boy in this pussy and I give him a camel toe. But a man live when I live soon. You know, when you see my face on the news with the weapon of a dirty boat. Better get back for the kickback on the Big Mac. Open your goddamn throat. I'm gon' beat it up, jump in the wheel, speed it up. Oh no, sir, they ain't keeping up. I ain't even hit it. Compete with them, I'm getting footed. That white man, I'ma leave with them. That my brother is, know that I bleed with them. Got a team full of bosses, I leave with them. Pull up down so you know I ain't seeing them. My only dream is to see all the green with them. I'm the reason why this girl got a rash in her ass. Bitch, I'm gon' do my money dance and throw a whole lot of cash. I'm gon' stun on all these haters and make a whole